In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete blank rows in between data in Excel. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, and this is a very useful cleanup task if your worksheet has empty rows scattered throughout your data. Blank rows can make your spreadsheet harder to analyze, and they can also cause issues when you try to sort, filter, or work with the data as one continuous table. The goal here is simple. Remove those empty rows and keep the remaining data neatly together. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet that contains the data you want to clean up. In a typical example, you might have columns such as employee, department, and salary with a few completely blank rows sitting between actual records. Those empty rows break up the dataset, and we want to remove them without disturbing the valid entries. The recommended method for this is using Go to Special because it's one of the fastest ways to find and remove multiple blank rows at once. Start by selecting your entire data range. This is important because Excel will only look for blanks inside the range you highlight. If you leave out part of the data, those blank rows may not be included in the cleanup. Once your data is selected, press F5 on your keyboard or press Ctrl and G to open the Go to dialog box. In that window, click Special. This opens a list of selection options that help Excel identify certain types of cells. From that list, choose blanks and then click OK. Excel will now highlight all blank cells within the selected data range. This step tells Excel exactly where the empty spaces are, so you don't have to search for them manually. Next, right-click one of the selected blank cells and click Delete. Excel will then ask how you want to remove the selected cells. Choose Entire Row and click OK. As soon as you do that, all completely blank rows in the selected range will be deleted, and the remaining data will shift upward automatically. That's the result you want: a continuous block of data with no empty rows interrupting it. A helpful thing to remember is that this works best when the rows are completely blank within the selected range. If a row contains any data at all, Excel won't treat it as a blank row in this step. So before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure the rows you want removed are truly empty. And that's how to quickly delete blank rows in between data in Excel using Go to Special.